Coming here takes about 15 minutes, with the 806 bus line from Maryland.
We've just arrived to Central Garden.
Okay, let's go.
And we're gonna go walk around here. Then we're just gonna turn there. We're gonna go see
some white ibises in this pond.
Here we have arrived to
the redneck wallabies.
place, or this could be wallabies.
Now this is the eastern grey kangaroo.
This one was wallabies.
Yeah, the other is just a goose. This is another wallaby.
Black swan. The emu.
Not in front of the, not in front of the. Go around.
You can see
Diamond
a
python.
Diamond python. It is. Oh, guys.
More white
They're really
ibises.
fast. They're called bean chicken in Australia.
Thanks for watching.
Okay.